Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, like, comment, and share.
Is we put a single reed diaphragm and we put it externally. So much like you would blow a diaphragm call in your mouth by pressing up with your tongue for the high notes, letting off for the low notes, that's how you use this lever. As I depress this for the high notes, let off for the low notes, but it's all externally. So the consistency is unmatched. So simple bugle, I just hold the call down horizontally, and I'm just taking air volume. The more air volume I blow through the call, the higher the note. Less air volume, the lower the note. So to bugle, notice I don't have to waver this lever a whole lot. I just hold it down horizontally and just sheerly blow the air volume through it. Now to chuckle on the call, all I'm doing or grunt, I'm just kind of just pumping the reed and going wah, wah, wah. Put them all together. If you remove this call from the grunt tube, it's now a cow call. Just depress the reed for the high notes, let off for the low notes. Some hunter specialties in Carlton calls. Single reed is the red, double reed is the blue, and triple reed is the brown. Essentially, I like the single reeds for usually cow calling. The blue reed is a double reed for cow calling and bugling, and the triple reed is typically used for those deeper tones of a bugle. If you're not sure what diaphragm you're going to like, pick up our Infinity
Pioneer, the granddaddy or whatever of diaphragm elk calls. And we innovated that type of sound, put it into the market, and we've been very successful using diaphragm calls. But over the years, I have learned that I don't go in the woods without a particular call, because this will stay in our line of calls until the day I die. It is so effective. And the name that it has, the fighting cow calls. Just imagine this, two cows fighting during the rut when all the hormones are going crazy in these animals. Now you got two cows fighting over a bull, but it's the sound that it produces. Let me just demonstrate it. This rubber band is holding this reed in the proper position, so it gives you that just right nasal sound. It's called the fighting cow call. But now, let me show you what I'm really excited about, and that is the fighting cow call, I'm going to say on steroids, or it has all grown up. We're going to show you what I call the Long Ranger. It's high pitch, it's loud, it hurts your ear. I designed this for the bull that's on the next mountain. I wanted to try to locate something that I could even go to the next day to hunt. And I'm telling you folks, I've been hunting elk almost 40 years. I'm the pioneer of the diaphragm elk calls. We were the pioneers of the fighting cow call, this type of call right here. And this is the most stimulating, effective, aggressive elk call I have ever used in my life. I cannot believe the results we had last year on our test, how bulls came not only from a long distance, not only did they bugle from, or not only did they bugle from a long distance, when they got close and I used the call, they kind of went nuts. This is the most effective elk call I have ever made.
Lucy cow call, a great locator and a great call for calling those bulls in for your shot, or to stop a bull if he's moving. You operate the call by placing your lip on different parts of the reed. At the top end of the reed, you get the higher pitch, and as you move your lip up across the reed, you'll get different sounds. Now there's a rubber band on the call. It makes for a great stop for where you get the back end of the cow call, and you can move it up or down on the reed to suit your choice. That's your back end of the reed. Now, for a calf call, all you do is basically the same thing, but you just make the call a little softer and a little shorter.
Very simple bugle to use. It's just built off the principle of a single reed diaphragm internally. So I just use my lip and rest it on this shelf. As you depress your lip onto the latex, as by blowing a little bit harder, you achieve those higher notes, letting off for the lower notes. Very easy call to use. Simple bugle. If you want to chuckle on it, all I'm doing is short bursts of air to get that wah, wah, wah. So it's put it together with a bugle and the chuckles. So the reeds can be removed. They're going to wear out, and we make replacement reeds. Just a single reed diaphragm, slides in the top side like so. Pop it back.
Thanks for watching. Product buying links are given in the video description.